When steroids enter the body, they travel to various organs and muscles. Steroids influence individual cells, causing them to produce proteins. These proteins are problematic. The liver, for example, can develop tumors and cancer. Steroid users may also develop pileosis hepatis, a rare condition in which blood-filled cysts appear on the liver. Tumors and cysts can both rupture and cause internal bleeding. Steroids are also bad for your heart. Overuse can result in heart attack and stroke. Steroid use can result in atherosclerosis, a condition in which fat deposits inside arteries disrupt blood flow. A heart attack can occur when blood flow to the heart is blocked. A stroke may follow if blood flow to the brain is restricted. I hope that you have learned something new from this video. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like and follow for more informative videos.